Babe, we have been dating for more than 15 years now, and nothing good is coming out of it. I think you don't need me anymore.
I still need you, I still need you, and you know I do. I'm mad over you. I still need you, and you know I do. I'm mad over you.
Babe, will you marry me?
Oh wow, yes.
Okay.
Oh shit!
Really?
Wow, you're my spec. Like, I was from afar when I saw you. I like your body, like, seriously. To cut the story short, let me tell you, will you marry me? Can you spend the rest of your life with me?
Oh yes, I love you.
Aisha?
Yeah.
Okay.
A very wedding. You want to see crazy?
Oh.
Not be juju be
Wow, so cute. Okay, baby, what next?
You know what? Over to my house. Let's move. What? Babe, see the way you're walking.
You say you love me.
Love you under my dead body. I can't love a woman that is walking like this. Me, I'm out of this place.
Baby, come now.
Who come, which baby?
Oh, you say you love me. Baby, come now. Please. I love you.
Me, love you for over my dead body. I won't love you. Hey! Walking like that. Hey!
Baby, come now.
For where?
He shot you.